Kung madali kang mapagod at mabilis kang sumuko, maybe call center life isn't for you. But if you're still watching, then maybe, just maybe, you're one of us. Yung tipong kahit ilang beses ma-reject, hindi sumusuko. Ganyan dapat. Alam mo, Besh, dati I failed 11 interviews. Yung tipong akala ko, English lang ang problema ko. Pero in reality, I wasn't prepared mentally. Nung huling try ko, I stopped focusing sa script at nagsimulang mag-focus sa sarili ko. I told myself, kung gusto ko to, I have to earn it. And, ayun, you're hired din ako. So, kung ikaw to, inaantay yung result, kinakabahan, or natatakot pumasa. Tandaan mo, it's not about being the best English speaker in the room. It's about being the one who's willing to learn and improve. Hindi requirement ang perfect grammar, pero confidence, composure, at clarity, ayan ang nakikita ng interviewer. So instead of saying, "What if I fail?" say this, "What if I surprise myself?" Mag-practice magsalita sa harap ng salamin. Kahit anong tanong, sagutin mo ng pa-confident. Research about the company. Kahit kaunti, makakatulong na maipakita mo na seryoso ka. I-ready mo ang tanong na, "Tell me about yourself." Gusto mo ng guide? Nasa ebook ko yan, Besh. Pero for now, remember, just be honest, direct, and positive. And lastly, breathe. Kung magkamali ka sa interview, just smile and keep going. Sometimes, it's your attitude, not your answer, that makes them say yes. Besh, this is your sign. Don't give up. Kasi minsan, yung pangarap mo, nasa isang interview na lang, and I'll be cheering for you. Always. Follow for more call center tips. Let's get you hired.